Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be speaking about the various requirements and changes within the new Legion Simulator API. First, we have to understand what is Legion Simulator. Legion Simulator is an analytical application that reads the pedestrian scenario plan of any project and then calculates the movement of people within the project space. Legion Simulator also has the data analysis capability to review the result of the pedestrian movement with the help of reports, videos, and heat maps. Now we'll understand what is Legion Simulator API. The Legion Simulator API permits the user to add pedestrian model to external applications. The API enables creation of Legion pedestrian simulation in C++ code. An example is the integration of an existing application with traffic simulation software known as IMSON Next. Now let's move on to the compatibility and stability of this API. The release of this API is based on Bentley's Legion Simulator Connect Edition Update 1 product. All the simulator input files produced in Legion Model Builder Connect Edition Update 1 are compatible with this version of the API. Again, all the simulation result files produced with the help of this version of the API are compatible with Legion Simulator Connect Edition Update 1. Now let's move on to licensing, where we'll understand the changes that has been done. The licensing and entitlement verification has been migrated from Sentinel HASP to Bentley Connect. After licensing, we have to understand the entitlement of this API. The API's install bundle includes a Bentley Connect licensing DLL and a connection client installation package. Here, your developers have to install connection client on their PCs to test the products built with the help of this API. Again, to execute simulation using this API, your developers and your users must have entitlement for both these below listed Bentley products like Legion Simulator and Legion Simulator API. Moving on to distribution, the Connect licensing DLL and the connection client installation package must be distributed together with your product to your end users. Moving on to the most important part, the prerequisites of this API. This API has been built for Visual Studio 2017, version going to 15.9.13 or higher. You have to remember that this API has not been tested for Visual Studio 2019. The Visual Studio 2017 components required are as follows: the desktop development with C++ workload, Windows XP C++ support, MFC v141 support, Windows Universal CRT SDK, and the connection client requires .NET 4.6.2. You have to understand that the API has no .NET dependencies. So let's summarize the new features that you are getting with the help of this API. iPlatform, iPlatform distribution profile, iTrain, iTrain carriage, iTrain service, iTrain service as final destination, and iTrain service as origin. That is all for this video. See you all in the next one. Thank you.